Hi guys, here is how you can remove the background from an image or video using CapCut PC. So this is a sample image I downloaded from Pixels, and here is the sample video. So let's first remove the background from this image. Let me drag it to CapCut. Now all you have to do is click on the image. Here you will see remove busy. Click here. Simply click on auto removal. So the background has been easily removed. Likewise for the video, drag the video into CapCut. Here is the video. I will not resize it. You will again see the remove busy option. Click on auto removal. So the background has been removed. However, please note the background removal may not be perfect. It highly depends on your image or video. Anyway, after background removal, you can add any background to the video. Please do try and let us know. Thank you very much.